Hi, my name is Diep, and today we worked on the different types of functions with quadratic, exponential, and linear. So, an example of an exponential function would be, let's say, we are looking to find a function for squares. What I mean by this is step 0, 1, 2, 3, and squares, we would have 0, 1, 4, 9 squares. And they are asking us, oh, let's do step number n. And they're asking us to make a function of n being your step number, and f of n being the number of squares. So when we look at this, we want to see a relationship between our n and our f of n. So we look at this, we see 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9. We know we're not multiplying anything. We're not multiplying a common number because it's not apparent, because there's not really a clear pattern to show that, and we're not adding anything common. But what we are doing is we are raising our step number to a common number. So we can see this because if we were to raise each of these step numbers to the second power, we would get 0 squared is 0, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. So that actually is the base form of all quadratic functions, n squared. So that would be our quadratic equation. Our exponential would look like this. 2, oops, 2, 2, 4, 8. So this one, we are trying to find a common base for our exponential function, because we know we're raising a number to the nth power being the step number. So what is a? So we know anything to the 0 power is 1. So at that doesn't give us anything in regards to a. A could be anything. Now we're to the 1th power. Well, the only way we could get 2 is 2 to the 1. Well, we're not for sure yet. Let's keep on going. 2 to the 2 is 4. 2 to the 3rd power is 8. 2 to the 4 would be 16. 2 to the 5 would be 32. So this actually checks out. This would be our exponential function. And finally, we would have a linear function. Let's say 0, 2, 4, 6. So we're trying to find the relationship between n and f of n. And we see here we are multiplying by a common number here. We're multiplying by 2 each time. So it would be f of n equals 2 of n, because you plug in n, we're going to plug in our n numbers for n. So we would do 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. So that checks out. And yeah, that's an introduction to the 3 different types of functions we went over today.